Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your channel public, because by default, all YouTube channels come private. So first of all, go to the right and click your icon, select your channel. Click the Customize channel. Click the YouTube settings icon. Turn it off. Grayed out means turned off. If it's blue, that means it's turned on. Then click Save. Another way to make your channel public is to go to the right corner. Hit Settings, under Privacy, turn it off. Now that your channel is public, you are now visible to the public and your subscriber. If you like this video or if it's useful to you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye for now.